Hello everyone, my name is Yogesh. I am Microsoft Certified App Maker. Today we will get familiar with the Power Apps portal. What is Power Apps? Power Apps is an initiative by Microsoft that lets you quickly build and share powerful low-code applications. It's a suite of apps, services, and data platforms that enables rapid application development to build custom apps based on business requirements. Let's get started. Firstly, search for Power Apps on Google, then click on first link, powerapps.microsoft.com. It will land you on the Power Apps website. If you have an account, click on Sign In and else make an account by clicking on the Start Free link. Then sign up with your work email. Don't use your personal email. Microsoft don't approve personal emails. After filling all your details correctly, then click on Get Started. After signing in, you will land on Power Apps homepage. If you are building an app, you'll start with the Power Apps homepage. You can create a table in Dataverse or link your SharePoint file to your app. You can build apps from sample apps, templates, or a blank screen. You can create Canvas app, model-driven app, and portal app from blank screen. All you have to do is click on Create button. It will open you Power Apps Studio that we will discuss on our next video. You also find Learning Modules forum where you can get started you learning. You can also refer to Tech Challenges YouTube channel. Microsoft Learn is an awesome starting place for self-paced learning on your Microsoft applications. The content is broken up into different topics and modules, which makes it easy to navigate and track your progress. Make sure to sign in / create an account to keep track of the modules you've worked through. You will learn that there are 3 types of Power Apps you can create: Canvas, model-driven, and portals. Once you get an overview of them all, you can decide which one you would like to explore deeper. Apps section shows all the apps you created and the app which are shared to you. In Create section you can build apps like Canvas app, model-driven app, and Pages, formerly also known as Portal. You can create cards, chatbots, AI builder models through which you can add intelligence to your app, and also have option of creating apps through pre-built templates. Power Apps already have many pre-built templates for Canvas app, Portal, and for model-driven app you can choose any template according to your need. But personally I suggest you to start from scratch when you are on your learning phase, because for learning anything, practice is the key. Dataverse lets you securely store and manage data that's used by business applications. Data within Dataverse is stored within a set of tables. A table is a set of rows, formerly referred to as records, and columns, formerly referred to as fields/attributes. Each column in the table is designed to store a certain type of data, for example, name, age, salary, and so on. Dataverse includes a base set of standard tables that cover typical scenarios, but you can also create custom tables specific to your organization and populate them with data by using Power Query. Choices provide an exact list of values that people can choose. Choices help streamline new record creation and standardize data entry, and they are best suited for a small set of standard short terms rather than a long list of complex entries. A data flow is a collection of tables that are created and managed in environments in the Power Apps service. You can add and edit tables in your data flow, as well as manage data refresh schedules, directly from the environment in which your data flow was created. Azure Synapse Link for Azure Cosmos DB is a cloud-native hybrid transactional and analytical processing (HTAP) capability that enables near real-time analytics over operational data in Azure Cosmos DB. Azure Synapse Link creates a tight, seamless integration between Azure Cosmos DB and Azure Synapse Analytics. There are currently over 500 connectors for Power Automate and Power Apps that allow us to interact with other web services. But what if the connector you want to use does not exist? Custom connectors make it possible to create our own connectors for any web service that has a REST API. We can define triggers and actions based on our own requirements, and the best part is once built, custom connectors are reusable in any project. The on-premises data gateway serves as a link between on-premises data that isn't in the cloud. Let's go over to flows to see how these work. Cloud flows. The first of these flows is what we would call event-driven, triggered flows. Desktop or Robotic Process Automation (RPA) flows are now free to Windows 10 users and are automations that you create for your desktop or for using the web. Business process or guided flows are made to guide a person through a business process flow. The best examples of these are flows that are used in Dynamics 365 sales actions. Within the cloud flows, there are 3 more types. These types really indicate the type of activation of the cloud flow: automated flow, instant flow, scheduled flow. Let's move towards chatbots. Power Virtual Agents allows you to quickly create and maintain intelligent chatbots using a no-code interface. App makers can create and manage their chatbots directly from Power Apps. To create a chatbot, select Chatbots, then Create, and then select New Chatbot. This will take you directly to the Power Virtual Agents portal where you can create your chatbot. For more information, see Create a Bot in Power Virtual Agents. After you have chatbots in your environment, you'll be able to view them by selecting Chatbots and then List. You can navigate directly to the Power Virtual Agents portal to update your bot or view analytics. Chatbot can only handle simple pre-configured queries, not complex ones. And human efforts never be replaced by the chatbot. It works based on the pre-configured, frequently used phrases. Power Platform Solution. In Power Platform, the solution is a compressed file that contains multiple customized components which are part of your project. A component represents something that you can potentially customize. Anything that you have developed in Power Platform is a component. Unmanaged versus managed solution. Unmanaged solutions are used in development environments while you make changes to your application. Unmanaged solutions can be exported either as unmanaged or managed. Unmanaged solutions act as the source for all the Power Platform assets. Managed solutions are used to deploy to any environment that isn't a development environment for that solution. This includes test, UAT, SIT, and production environments. Managed solutions can be serviced independently from other managed solutions in an environment. As an ALM best practice, managed solutions should be generated by exporting an unmanaged solution as managed. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel. This will keep us motivated, and tell us by commenting which topic I should cover in my next video.